view Excel data. See, I'm having some data which is 100 rows, and I want data to summarize in different conditions. I select my data, then I click on Insert tab. Then under Insert tab, I'm having pivot table options. Once I click, I'll be getting one pop-up stating that a range which you have selected is this one, and new worksheet would be created for creating your pivot table option. I say okay, good to go. I say okay, then I say this is the list of your columns which is available in your Excel sheet, and these 4 boxes are there where you have to put your columns to get the pivot created. So this is for filtering. If you want any data, any column to be used for filtering the pivot. Column segment will be used if you want any column to be displayed as a column of the pivot, and rows if you want any data to be shown in the format of rows. And this is the most important, last corner of values, where you are putting your numeric data for summarizing the numbers. Let me put the segment in rows. So I'll be getting segment, unique segment would be there. I say I want sales drag in the values. So it means we are saying consumer wise sales, sum of sale is there. That's a normal. You can summarize it again in some other context. I say sum, count, and this task can be done from here also. Value field settings, and again I'll go for sum. You are changing it back to your normal sales requirement. So parallelly, if you want this any values to be there as a column, so I say category to be shown as a column, so it will be treated as a cross table. As and when required, you can plan the things. If I take it, if I want to use something for filter here, I'll drag it subcategory here. So subcategory will be treated as a filter. So if you click here, you'll be getting a subcategory is available on your requirement. So if I say I'm looking for, if you want a single only, you can select one. Or you want multiple, then you have to check box this. And you can choose the multiple options available. The pivot result will be get filtered accordingly. And thereafter, you say, let me go with one more sheet, data, insert, pivot, a new worksheet. This time I'm going for date column as an output, as a sales to be there. And as a date, we are having one more feature available in pivot. We can summarize data in form of month, year, and quarter. For doing that, you can right click on any of the value of first column. Right click, you will be getting group option. I say year wise summarization should be there. I'll be getting years. Even though if you say I'm looking for month wise also, let's go for month also. You'll get the output there based on requirement. So even though you are saying I'm looking for say month wise only, let's remove the years. And I'm saying I'm looking for profit also to be displayed. Then it's completely only I say segment wise option should be there next to the year, months. And vice versa, if I drag the things, order, segment order date, and segment wise, first level is segment, next level is my year, or sorry, months. So if you having requirement like this, you can take the case display. So let's take on one more pivot. So where we'll be using some other options also. So I'll say select. I'll say I'm looking for segment row, and under this segment I'm in category. Then I'll take a sales, and sales to be shown in terms of, let's say I'm having let me take subcategory in columns. Oh, it is very big list. So let me take category is in a column, and I'm taking order date next to this consumer, and I'm summarizing order date to month to year. So I'll be getting this report. So for managing the visibility of pivot, we do have some other options which help you to summarize your case. Say, first and foremost thing, you can enable disable grand totals if needed. So I'm looking on row number, row and column, both should be there in grand total. For row only, I don't require the summation, then you can say skip this, that summation would not be there. Of column wise, if you are looking for row wise, should also be removed, then you say column only, then row would not be there and column only summation would be there. That's my requirement. I'll go for it. Then again, pivot design, I'll say report layout, compact is default one, outline mode is there, tabular mode is there, then repeat columns are there, and default is this one, which is normal. We generally require a blank row once complete your requirements, once completing your category. I'll say grand total on off can be done. I say subtotal, similarly grand total, we do have subtotal option. So I'll say don't show subtotal, which disappear your subtotals from the list. I want subtotal to be shown as a bottom of the group. So earlier it was on top of the group, now it's showing me bottom of the group. Parallelly, if you want to change the positioning of the subtotal, you can change it based on your requirement. It's a pivot option available. You can use the color, other things are there, which can help you to take the things. In parallel to this, we do have some slicer options available. Say, let me segment and category. I'll take two slices. It's a visual filters, you can say. So if I say consumer data should be shown and corporate, you can press Control key and select both to if you want more than one selection to be there. Then similarly, furniture, for supply, technology, and if you want multiple, then same. You have to press the Control key and select the column name. This is a slicer which will be using in our dashboard options. So two options are there: either you make a filter of the pivot, or you can use the slices. It will display the output